part 3 of the React Flux series, where we are creating a YouTube app through the YouTube API. So almost all functionalities are complete, except that if you click on something, it should change the video. So let's move forward and create it. So for that, first we have to go to our video list item, and then here we have to import YT action. What is the action called? YT search action. Yeah, YT search action from dot actions YT search action. Then let's come down, and with this within this li, which is actually each of this is the li. See, the back color is also changing because we have the styles for this. So on click equal to we are soon going to have a new action known as user selected, and we will be passing the video to it, the video which we are getting here. Let me take it down a bit, and since it's an li, so again React with ls. So for that, let me do a key equal to video dot e tag, which is the unique value. So let me indent it a bit. Yeah, so it is looking good. Now we have to move to our action and create this. So it will again be a type of again be a dispatcher, but it will be outside this YT search, and it will be user selected video. Let me also console.log and show you what is there. Video. Why it is giving error? Oh, I know it is giving error. It have to be outside this also. This video search is a function which we are calling, so it will be outside this also. Then same as that, we will call the dispatcher dot dispatch. Again the same type, so again we will have an action type, and action types dot user selected, comma, the payload will be video. Now let's quickly create this also, because we are getting this from a constant file. So let me copy this, go to the constant file, do a comma and save it. So from that object we are getting this user selected and this video. Let me save it. Let me save this also. Then we will go to our store and we'll have another object here. Let user selected equal to an empty array, and this switch statement can handle different type of actions. So we'll have this case action types dot user selected this dot user selected video. This is a function in which we will pass the action dot payloads. See, this is the same way which we did for new search item, and then the mandatory break. After that we just have to have this function which is a single video, not a videos, and let have this user selected equal to that video, and then we are emitting it. So now what we are emitting, we will receive that in our video detail. So for that video detail, we will again come to our state and have a new state, local state user selected. This local state will be user selected YT store. We are already subscribed to this YT store dot get first video. Again in the I forgot to add one function here, so let me add it. So that function will be called get user video, and it will return the user selected. This. So let me save it, and what happens now, when the set state is done, we will get the user video. So it will be the user selected one, but see, when the first time we are setting the state, the user selected will be equal to the first video only when you click on it, it will get different by setting the state. So after that, one logic remains here. So this video, either it will be this dot state dot item, or it should be this dot state dot user selected. Okay, so let me remove this first. Don't know what is happening. Okay, let me remove it like this. Then we'll do object dot keys. I'll soon show why we are doing this. This dot state dot user selected. So as you might know, what does object dot keys do? See, object dot keys, this is the ambient definition. In object dot keys, if some object, we pass some object and we do object dot keys, it will give us an array which will contain the keys only. So this will only happen when there is an object. So here object.key is this to state dot user selected. We are passing an object and it will return an array. So length triple equal to 0 means it's an empty array. And if it is then we are using this ternary operator. Then let me use it. The first thing will be video will be equal to this dot state dot item, and if the length is not 0 means something is there, then video will be equal to this dot state dot user selected. So it's done. Let me save it. And let me go back to the app, and if I let me also open the console. Let me click on this, and yes, our video is changing. So why so see, since I had opened the console, see this we are getting from this YT-action.js. so when we're clicking on it, we are getting an object just like this. Let me click on this, I'm getting a different object. Let me see whether it is working. Yeah, it is working. Our app is done. Thank you for watching this series. Hope you liked it. Thank you.